ever been lonely in a foreign land? Have you ever shared the sadness with someone else? I long to see my Samoa, to have its pleasure and fun. I'll never again to be lonely while I'm under the sun. Oh, how I feel,
oh, how I feel
so lonely,
so lonely
when I think about the time, every Sunday in Samoa, you hear the church bells always chime. Nevermore will I be lonely as long as I live. So I will never be lonely when Samoa is with me. Time to be lonely on a Christmas day, with all my heart in Samoa, but I am miles away. People come and try to cheer me up, but I have nothing to say. Just walk in the room to be lonely, then start weeping and pray. Oh, how I feel,
oh, how I feel
so lonely, when I think about the time, every Sunday in Samoa, you hear the church bells always chime. Nevermore will I be lonely as long as I live. So I will never be lonely when Samoa is with me. In all the times that I was lonely, I never gave up hope. I always prayed and wished the time is near for me to go back home. And when I dreamed about my homeland and people that I adored, I only cried while I was lonely when I remember Samoa. Oh, how I feel,
oh, how I feel
so lonely, when I think about the time, every Sunday in Samoa, you hear the church bells always chime. Nevermore will I